assembly program to understand embedded system better. So in this series we have to make one program. We have to count from 0 to 8, and once our counter reach 8, we have to toggle the port. So this is first time we are discussing about the something called port. So first time we are talking about port. So we will see little bit history of this, how it is, what it is, and then we will be definitely working with it. So I'll tell you, in our microcontroller we are having 4 port. So this is port 0, then we are having port 1, then we are having port 2, and then we are having here port 3. So we are having 4 port, and what is this port? This each port is giving the 8 output input. It can give 8 output and input. This is like a, you can say, the hand and input sensors for the microcontroller. So we are having 4 port. Any one port we can make it toggle. What's the question says? Count from 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Once it reach 8, then we have to detect, oh, it become 8, and then what we can do is we can change the port. So consider like port 0, if we make him 0, so we can port 0, we can make it high like that. So this first time we are introducing you port. So like let's see how it goes. Okay, port is the medium through which microcontroller can give input and output. We will see this, don't worry for that. It is just go to Keel. Here like we have to make a new project, give some name. So consider we can give name as count. So we'll give name as count, and then we'll choose our microcontroller 89S52. Okay, no startup file, great. Then come here, assembly level language programming, use SM file, and then go here and file. So we can say like count, fine, and then we can say org 0. We'll start writing program. So we have to count from 0 to 8. So say clear R1, and then we can say we have to increment it. So we can say like INC increment R1, fine, and then we can compare this whether it reach 8 or not. So for that we are having instruction called CJNE, compare and jump if not equal. So what we have to first give the register R1 with what we want to compare. So we want to compare with 8, so we can write 8, and then if it is not equal to 8, where we have to go? So we can loop 1 like this. So it will be loop 1 increment, and once it become 8, we have to toggle port. So what we have to do is we can say move P0, and we can load some value in hash 0 FFH, and since we are making it high here, so before starting our program we may need to make it clear so that we can understand whether it really change happen or not. So how to do that? We can say move P0 comma, or we can say clear also, but like I'll write this way, no problem. Yeah, so what we had done is we wrote the 00 in the port, and then we clear our R1, and then R1 we are incrementing till 8, and once it reach 8, then we are making it high. That's all is our program, and let's build it. Oh, okay, see I made mistake here. Clear R1, it's not taking, so I can say move R1 as 00. Okay, great. So now I can do like this. I clear my register, and like I'm making it port. So let's go in a debug mode and see. So I am in debug mode now. Now in debug mode, see like R1. So R1 you can see here 0. So anyway it will be 0. But now port. How to see port? See here, you can come here peripheral, port, and port 0. From this place you can open any port you want. So consider I open this port, and then what I am doing, I am writing it 0. So you see I wrote 0 here, and then I am R1 I am incrementing. So R1 become 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now it will be 8. Now it become 8. So it, until it was not equal, it was jumping. Since it is equal, it came out, and now I am moving it FF to the port and become F. Okay, so hope you understand, and this is like first time we are writing something on port, and in our next program we will be writing program using hardware. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Please comment how you are liking, not liking, what you want to include, or what we have to do. We will be happy to answer your queries. Feel free to ask us. This is full embedded course for you. Okay, thank you very much. Bye.